মোবারক ন্যাথানিয়েল স্মিথ, যিনি বিশেষ ইস্ট-ইয়র্কের একজন এমপি এবং একই সঙ্গে তিনি চেষ্টা করছেন স্কারবোরো সাউথ ওয়েস্ট থেকে এমপিপি ইলেকশনের জন্য। তো ন্যাট আগাগোড়াই অন্তত এক দশক ধরে তিনি এখানকার ঈদের জামাতে আসছেন, বাংলাদেশি ক্যানাডিয়ানদের সাথে মিলিত হচ্ছেন এবং সবসময় তাদের পাশে আছেন। তো আজকেও পেয়েছি এই হাইমাসেও ন্যাথানিয়েল স্মিথ নেটকে। I want to know what is your opinion about this mosque to celebrate the Eid.
I just want to wish everyone an Eid Mubarak. It's great to be here with people. Look, having attended Eid prayer for over a decade now with the community, seeing people who are friends, people I consider family, and I'm looking forward not only to being here at Eid prayer, but also to spending time at people's homes afterwards, breaking bread and just enjoying the day. So to everyone, Eid Mubarak.
Next, you were running as a MPP. Uh, what do you think what do you want from the community?
I have been a partner to the community, an ally to the community, a vocal advocate for the community as an MP over the last decade. I'm going to maintain that work as a member of provincial parliament. I think we're going to get a lot done if I'm able to represent you as a member of provincial parliament, but more than that, we're going to get a lot done for Scarborough, for East End, in the Premier's office, and we're building a team that starts in Scarborough all across the province, and I hope you'll be there with me as I've been with you for the last 10 years.
Thank you, Nat. Eid Mubarak. See you.